To make app icon on the home and app screen larger on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on the home screen and then tap setting. By default, the app icon size is set to medium. To make the app icon on the home and app screen larger, put the dot on the adjustment bar below app size on the right side. To see the result, go to the home screen and app screen. As you can see, now your phone displays the app's icon in large size. Given to the function, you can set the app icon size to large when you want to get a better visibility and accessibility. Moreover, if you have vision difficulty or have accessibility need, when you want to get easier navigation, or when you want to have a minimalist home and app screen with fewer but bigger icons and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.